Great games for preschoolers are intuitive and easy to understand. When you're evaluating games for your young child, remember instructions should be minimal. Since preschool children can't read, they should be able to learn how to play the game as they go through the experience. Gameplay goals should be visually explicit. Glowing objects, arrows, or animations will clearly show what the child needs to do. These visuals should be paired with simple auditory instructions for extra clarity and accessibility. Repetition is essential. Young children have a shorter ability to recall oral instructions, so listen for repeat guidance throughout gameplay to keep them on track. Modeling is another powerful tool for preschool children. Great preschool games will demonstrate actions step by step and move slowly and clearly to show what needs to be done. Remember, the best preschool games are simple, visual, and supportive, helping little ones learn through play without frustration.